Hey everybody, on to the next major project, getting our front porch done. It definitely needs some work. Should look like a regular room by the time it's done. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how it looks currently, and then when we get to the point when it's all fully remodeled, I'll show it again. I'm pretty excited. Gonna make this feel like it's a good sized room already, but it's gonna make it feel like it's an interior room to the house once it's done. So can't wait to get it done. Goodbyes to the paneling, as you see behind me. Regular walls coming soon. So here's the walls. You can see the paneling down here. My wife already stripped off a lot of it. See it right here. There's like a little piece. Like they put flooring on the walls at some point. Here's another part of it. So that's gonna get all changed out. We're gonna put regular walls up, make it feel more like an interior room. This paneling is very old, probably original to the house. So we're gonna make it get refreshed, just like the bathroom. And yeah, I can't wait to see how it comes out. Pretty excited about it, and yeah, so stay tuned everyone. I'll show you guys some progress along the way, and yeah, this is about it. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and keep on watching.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.